Hey guys, it's Diane. I'm on my porch, my favorite place. It's kind of getting hot, but this video will be short. What is my channel about? All the YouTube gurus say you have to have a niche, and you only talk about that niche so that when people come to your channel, they know what you're going to talk about. Wow, that sure is limiting. Now, when I started out on YouTube, I was going to talk about my tiny house. But I made a bunch of those videos that never went anywhere, that are still lingering in my repertoire, just sitting there. So I couldn't think of much else to talk about other than my life, what I've been through, my lifestyle, my memories, my crazy life, because it has been up and down and all around. I made a list. My marriages, my kids, my grandkids, and of course that encompasses grief, my dogs, or even my cat, my paintings, or how to paint, or how I achieve my paintings the way that I do, because I'm not an artist. My large family, my living alone, and how I accomplish that on a daily basis. My sewing workroom, that will be gone soon. Or showing you how I make things, which I'm still got to do. It is worked into the schedule. I might even talk about my plants. It is something else to take care of. I am a caregiver. I am used to taking care of things. And I think if I had nothing to take care of, like plants or dogs or cats, I'd probably be crazy. I might do some decorating. I've got a big revamping to do as soon as I quit sewing and get that workroom out of here. And I'm going to pare down a little bit. I've been listening to your comments, some of you that say it's a little much. Just try to remember I brought everything that I love with me, little things, and I had to find a place for them. So at times it does look like a little much. But I'm going to fix that. I might talk about my porches, because I like to decorate my porches like I do my home. Now, I know that you don't want me to talk about my tiny house for 2 years. I mean, are you going to still be listening? I don't think so. And I know I talk about my grandson a lot that I lost. But I'm not going to do that for 2 years. I'm not going to put you through that. But sometimes I have to tell you something regarding that. And I'm hoping that it might be helping others, maybe. Can you hear my heat pump? I should have turned that off. I'm so sorry about that. I might even be talking about the roosters in my neighbor's yard that crows a lot. a lot. I could be talking about my daughter's nonprofit. God knows she's got lots of stories. Great stories. Uplifting stories. Now, the reason that I come off as a storyteller, I guess that's what I would view myself as. Not a great one, but just as a storyteller. My grandkids, I have 7. One's no longer here. But they used to spend the night with me once every month or two, and we had like a party, a fun party. And their big thing was, tell us a ghost story, Gran. Tell us a story, Gran. And I always had one. So I'm the storyteller, Gran. Yeah, that's what I'm known as. So I guess that's how I just come off on my channel. I'm a storyteller. And every morning when I drink coffee for about an hour, hour and a half, in silence, I think about my life. And these stories pop into my head. I remember that. Oh my God, I remember that. And I jot it down. Because I'm thinking you might want to hear that. Maybe not. Maybe so. You are free to turn me off, change the channel, and I just get to talk. And talking has helped me more than you will ever know, because I used to go in silence for sometimes 2 weeks without speaking to anyone, maybe other than my dogs, to say, hey, don't do that, or whatever, or you're such a good boy, you're such a good girl. Other than that, that was my extent on speaking. So now, because of you, I get to speak. And I'm so grateful for you for many, many reasons. I've shared some of the reasons, but mostly because you have lifted me as a person. I didn't know that I was likable. Still don't believe it. I just didn't know that anyone would listen to me. I did not believe the fact that over 100 people would listen to a particular video. I just didn't believe it. You have proved me wrong. And now I'm going to stick with you two and just see where I go. I'm not expecting anything big. I'm just expecting a few people to come back. That I recognize your name. I love your names. I know you. You always comment. And it makes me feel so good. I'm so appreciative of you. And I'm going to let you go. And my niche is me. That's the long and the short of it. And I will see you next time. And love is coming your way from me.